It's up to us. Archbishop Desmond Tutu said, "Do your little bit of good where you are." It's those little bits of good put together that overwhelm the world. Let's look at some smart solutions. This is a true game changer because we have disrupted the consumer goods industry. We're the first to take market share from the giants and actually survive. We offer better products at an affordable price point. Instead of spending more than 60% on distribution and shelf space, we invest that money into making better products. It's smart. We do this by utilizing a common sense approach called consumer direct marketing. We do no traditional advertising. Only customers can refer other customers. It's brilliant. The rise of the eco-warrior. The going green industry will soon hit $1 trillion. With our profit-sharing business model, you can place yourself on a path to dramatically improve your finances and take advantage of this emerging top global consumer shift. It's safe, it's effective, it's concentrated, and it's affordable. The best of science and Mother Nature combined for superior product performance, safety, ingredients, and value. It's safer for your home, family, pets, and the environment. Using just-in-time delivery so products are shipped fresh and without preservatives or other harmful ingredients. Your efforts matter. Our customers have saved over 260 million pounds of plastic, 45 million gallons of fuel, and over 1 billion pounds of gas emissions so far. Do the smart thing. Join us. You can shop online at wholesale prices and save up to 85% on the things you're already buying now, just better versions. Health and wellness, sports nutrition, pet care, luxury cosmetics and skincare, and household. Everything's non-toxic. It's good for you, it's good for your family, and it's good for the planet. Always remember, you can dream about the life you imagine, or you can create the life of your dreams. Go ahead and click the link in the description below right now to get more information. Your future self will thank you, and your planet thanks you.